How's it going, guys? My name is Emad from GameMaker Studio, and in today's video I will show you how to import your HTML game into Visual Studio and make it a universal Windows platform application and then publish it to the store. So before we start, I want to shamelessly promote our small startup, GameMaker Studio. We make beautiful games for everyone, so if you want, you can check us out. We have 2 games on the store already, one on the Windows Phone and Android, and one on the Android store. So if you want to support us, you can check us out on Xerisers.com. If you don't have Visual Studio, you can get it for free from visualstudio.com. The community edition is for free, so you can benefit from that as well. And if you are a student, you can also take advantage of a lot of other opportunities for students and free products and so on. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is my application. As you can see, it's an HTML document with some JavaScript and some files and so on. And what I want to do is I want to go to my Visual Studio. I want to create a new project. So go to File, New Project, or Control Shift N if you are a keyboard ninja. It will take a few seconds to load up depending on your machine. I have a laptop here, so don't expect a lot of great performance. So yeah. So I want to name this maybe a game. I said okay to create a new project, and it will ask me if I want to change the project. I'll just say yes, since I didn't do a lot of changes to that. So this is your Solution Explorer. If you don't have that, go to Window and then Solution Explorer. I never know where to find these. So what I like to do is I like to use this search box to find the Solution Explorer or whatever I want to find in Visual Studio, and that's what makes Visual Studio unique in a unique IDE. Not only that, but you know. So what I want to do is I want to go to my project here, and I want to drag all these files into my game and not my solution, into my game project. So click and drag. So now if I launch the game, again it will take a few seconds, so bear with me on that. Here we go, this is our game. And as you can see, it says nothing except is content goes here or whatever is your language. So and that's basically because it is loading the default.html page and not our index.html page. And to change that, we must go to our app manifest file, and we can find it here in our Solution Explorer. You can just double click it, and it will give you a UI interface to change the application, the resources, and you can change the tiles and you know, all that stuff. So what I want to do is I want to change the starting page or page de démarrage or whatever to index.html, because index.html is our actual game, as you can see. So let's now reboot that and see if that works. And once you hit compile and run, you will not have to save, since it's going to save anyway. So as you can see, it works just fine, and I can like start the game, choose difficulty, do whatever, make sure to test it before you actually play the game. And that's a pretty fun game. I will put a link to that on the description if you want to download it. It's in Arabic, but it will be also available for English speakers and so on. So what I want to point out is, let's restart the game. What I want to point out is you see this exit button. It doesn't do anything, and that's because it's an HTML game and you can't really you know, close an HTML document except if you close the Explorer. So what you want to do is you want to have a bit of knowledge about WinJS and how you can get over this solution. And if you found a really quick one, make sure to leave a comment. Let us know how you did that. And yeah, so that's basically it. You now imported your game into Visual Studio and made it a universal Windows platform. What you can do is you can just right click and then go to Windows Store and create a package application and then upload it to the App Store if you have a developer account. If you don't, you can get it from DreamSpark like I did as a student. I'm not sure if they still give that, but you can definitely sign up for a DreamSpark account if you are a student and benefit from all the Microsoft developer tools and so on. So again, that was Ahmad from Xerisers Studio. Make sure to check us out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and peace.